Clackamas Middle College is an accredited charter high school and college transitional program open to any high school student interested in college opportunities.
CMC exists to serve students as they grow as learners and individuals.
Our philosophy incorporates rigorous and varied educational experiences with personalized teaching, counseling, and academic planning.
As college readiness skills are developed, CMC offers tuition/books and access to college opportunities for which students are awarded dual high school and college credit.
Clackamas Middle College CMC is holding a virtual open house on Wednesday, February 24th, 2021, from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. on Zoom.
These events are open to all students and their parents/guardians who are interested in CMC.
The evening will include an introduction to our staff,
how we are successfully implementing comprehensive distance learning, CDL, at CMC.
An overview on how we prepare our students for college during high school,
and a question and answer period to better understand our wonderful college transition programs for high school students. If you're interested in going to Clackamas Middle College, go to your 8th grade level hub in Google Classroom to access the link and information for the open house night.
So if you're interested in going to Clackamas Middle College, go to your 8th grade level hub in Google Classroom and access the link and the information for the open house night.
You can also apply for CMC now. Apply now online at clackamasmiddlecollege.org.
Go to the blue button that says Apply in the middle of the page. Click on Step 1 located on the menu bar to the right.
Complete the online application and click Submit when completed.
Once submitted, you will receive an email back with information to complete Step 2.
Once Step 1 and Step 2 are complete, your application will be processed for possible enrollment.
Apply now. The sooner you apply, the better.